there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have another very important and amazing hosting application. This one is called TurboHost VPS, and VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. And this one is a product that is going live. That will be today, the 23rd of August 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this one, in a nutshell, is the first to market Intel Turbo CPU based hosting technology that lets you host unlimited websites and domains on ultra fast and secured VPS servers without any monthly fees ever. And by VPS it means virtual private servers, which you are going to use to actually get this done in a way that you will sell these services to others and make money online like hell. And it's an amazing product. It's been launched by my friend Odak Pramanik, and like I said, it's going live today, the 23rd at 11 a.m. New York time. And of course, if you stick with me on this review, in the course of it, I will show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you, which are definitely going to actually be very good incentives for you. There are a lot of them here, which you are going to actually choose from whatever you want to actually maximize your ability to make money online. And if you also stick with me further, I will show you through the very dashboard area of this, and definitely play you the video of this product in action when it is completely fixed, and then you will be able to get information, all the information you need as per how this is going to help you. My name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. I did these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online. Today this one happens to be TurboHost. And if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I'll be always here every day, every other day, to bring out something for you. And today, let us now go into getting exactly what you have as benefits with this. It's actually going to help you save thousands of dollars yearly. Load unlimited websites and domains like a rocket. Keep all your websites 100% secure. No monthly payment hassles, and you have 24/7 dedicated support. And with this you can host unlimited websites. You have a world-class SafeShell technology-backed premium hosting. You have 50+ premium applications in just one click, and unlimited bandwidth, unlimited email addresses, multi-language support, free SSL certificate, and you also have the ability to get automated daily backup and email spam assassin, powerful SSD, NVMe storage, and unmatched e-commerce functionality. One-click WordPress installation. You have also PCI DSS Compliance, Web Application Firewall. You have also the 100+ Extensions Catalogue and Multi-PHP Manager. You know, it's a lot that is contained in this, and I believe the more upgrades you buy, the more you have some of these at your disposal. And you have SEO Toolkit, you have also the Site Advisor, and you have Postgresql and WordPress Toolkit. Everything is here as long as creating websites and domains and selling them at your price is concerned, and you will do this using this very application, which has the ability to give you a virtual private server of your own, which you can use. So at any point you decide to buy this product, you will find the link, the first link in my description. That link will bring you to this very sales page, and then here you get a link to take you to my WordPress account where you buy this product. Okay, and I will leave the rest of these capabilities. These are exactly what we have read, some of the things it does for you. Free SSL certificate, everything is here. You can see it's incredible what you have with this very application. So the warning we are giving as affiliates is that if you really want to make it, you have about 4 days to 5 days launch of this very product. You buy it before that time, because after that time definitely you will not find this very cheap prices that you have it now. Okay, so I will leave the rest of the review of the sales page to you when you arrive, so that you take your time and see exactly all the things you have for this one. It's a virtual private server hosting for 90% off the regular price, and no monthly fees will be necessary. Top Fortune 500 companies are already using SafeShell technology-backed hosting solutions to win their customers, and people like Walmart, Amazon, Apple. You have United Health Group, ExxonMobil, CVS Health. You have AT&T, and you have also Microsoft. All of these guys are already using this very SafeShell technology, which is backing their exploits as long as domains and websites and hosting are concerned. And now you can have this opportunity yourself without having to wait to become one of the top 500 companies. So you can do it now yourself with this amazing Oda Pramanix application. Okay, so that's exactly what you have from me. And like I said before, I will leave the rest of the very perusal of this very sales page to you when you arrive here. But in the meantime, here are some of the amazing testimonials you have from this week. Judge he said, looking to stop paying huge monthly to expensive hosting solutions. Say hi to TurboHost VPS. I've used and reviewed quite a few hosting products, but none got me interested like this one. The best part is that it helps you to say goodbye to these slow, outdated and unreliable website platforms that charge a fortune but deliver seldom nothing. Okay, so this is what his opinion of the product is, and of course you can go through the other ones at your convenience and then see if this is going to be for you. But I am in the knowledge that it will help you avoid payments like this to DreamHost 800 a year, HostGator 1200 a year, Bluehost 750 a year. You have Hostinger 900 per year. You have GoDaddy at 1100 per year, and you have Green Geeks web hosting at $120 a year, which seems to be the lowest as long as I'm concerned. So I mean, I am inside there. I know how much I have invested in web hosting and all that on a yearly basis. So when you see products like this, then it will be honorable to actually grab them and make use of them. And that, for that reason, I will leave, like I said before, the rest of the review of the sales page to you when you arrive here by clicking that first link in my description. And for now, let us actually see this product in action and see exactly what you have as long as this one is concerned. Now you have the dashboard area. This is the client area, your service, your billing, payment method, domains, and the user dashboard, cloud backup, AI website builder, video hosting and social media automation, SEO application and agency. These are all the things you are going to see on the dashboard when you buy this product. But for now, let us actually see this product in action and see exactly how it's going to help you. Okay, after that I will show you the bonuses and also the pricing.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. Now let us see exactly what I have for you as per the pricing for this product. After that, I will show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, so I encourage you to stick around. Now the front end goes for $17, and you have access to this very dashboard where you are going to do the whole magic of using the virtual private server to actually make this thing work for you. Okay, so In any case, let's see what the OTO number 1 says. This is the OTO number 1, and we can actually get to see this OTO number 1 by browsing it, and then of course see what it says is going to do for you. This is the OTO number 1, and may not be able to go to all the 9 OTOs and upgrades you have here, but this is the pro version of this product, which is advisable to get because it's going to help you actually have everything unlimited as long as provisions of the application and the dashboard area is concerned. So now let's see what you have. These are the value you have: 32 Titan Core Max Turbo vCPU, which originally goes for this amount, 297. You have premium SSL eCommerce, it goes for 397. That is value. You have NVMe storage, goes for 397. You have commercial license value for 997. You have 64 giga RAMs for value of $300. You have premium support for value of 497, and total will be 2,885. But if you buy it today, you are going to actually be having it for a fraction of that amount, which is going to be, I believe, $57, if I am not mistaken. So that's what you have as instead of $67, you're going to have it for $57, and this is all you have that makes it the pro version of this very great instrument. And this is exactly what you are going to, the kind of things you're going to see if we click all the links that are connected to all the OTOs, but there are 9 of them. I don't think we have time to do any of that. Like for now, this is what I'm talking about. Instead of the price of $67, you have it for $57, which is the OTO version of this very OTO pro version of this very instrument, which goes for this amount of money. Now you have it for $37. You have the OTO number 2, which is going to be for $97. You have the OTO number 3, which is going to be the AI site builder, and that goes for $67. And I think it has a discount you're going to have, which will be like $57 at the end of the day. And you have the OTO number 4, which is the cloud drive. It goes for $67 as well. You have the OTO number 5, which is the SEO app, which goes for this, which is exactly this, $97. And I think it has a downsell of $67. And you have also the OTO number 6, which is the video hosting, which goes for $197, which is OTO number 6. And you have OTO number 7, which is the done for you traffic, which is very, very important, goes for $67. I think it has a downsell as well. You have also the very agency for OTO number 8. It goes for $67. You have also OTO number 9, which is the reseller, which makes you have access to resell this product as if it's your own. It equally goes for $67. And these are the pricing. As you can see, they are quite affordable. But for now, let's see the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. The number 1 is the Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. And you can get a copy with this click when you arrive here. At any time you buy this product, you will find a link that gives you access to these bonuses when you eventually buy it under your purchase history. So now you have the number 2, which is a TweetDex, which is a Chrome extension application that is going to help you drive traffic from Twitter on the background to any offer or link of your choice. You have number 3 as Insurgency, which is a training course on how you can master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. You also have how to access free buyer traffic using Lazy Traffic Sniper, and that should be my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 will be JavaScript commission bot, which is how to make 4-figure daily commissions, and you have also access to that using this link when you get here. You have also the bonus number 6, which is lockdown formula, a beginner-friendly training on how you can start online on any niche whatsoever and make money as if you are your own boss. Now you have also this one, which is the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 digital marketing tools. We're talking about over 1,000 links that are going to give you one capability or another, which includes background removers, link shorteners, video editors, name it. Anything you want, you are going to find it in this toolbox. You have access to it using this link. And whenever you buy this product, after your purchase history, like I said, when you click that first link below in my description area, it will bring you to the sales page where you buy this product using this link. When you do, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page like this on WordPress account of mine, where you are going to have access to 2 buttons. This one gives you access to TurboHost VPS, and you have also this one as the blue one that gives you access to these crazy and mega bonuses that I have lined up for you, which will definitely help you in your business online. And with that, we are definitely going to come towards the end of this very review. I will encourage you, if you are new to my channel, to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and do not hesitate to use the bell icon for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from Spain, and from here, it's goodbye.